This is Hidden Car Tech. We unlock the real power inside your Audi. More performance, more response, engine power with no limits. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech and drive smarter.
Are you driving your Audi exactly the way its engineers designed it to be driven? Have you ever noticed that your Audi sometimes feels less smooth, slightly slower, or less responsive, even though nothing seems technically wrong? No warning lights, no diagnostic errors, no obvious mechanical problems. Yet something feels different. Many Audi owners assume this is normal aging of the car. But what if the real cause is something much simpler? A daily driving habit that quietly affects the engine and turbo system, inconvenience, electronics, and even transmission behavior over time. And the surprising part? Most drivers do it every single day without realizing it. Modern Audi vehicles are incredibly advanced machines. Engines are turbocharged, electronically managed, and built with extremely tight tolerances. A golden jet designed to maximize efficiency, performance, and emissions control. But this advanced engineering also means these systems depend heavily on proper operating conditions. And one of the most overlooked factors is how the engine behaves during the first few minutes after startup. Many drivers start their Audi and immediately accelerate hard. Fast highway entry, quick city acceleration, or simply driving aggressively while the engine is still cold. This might seem harmless, but during the first minutes of operation, the engine is still stabilizing internally. Oil temperature is low. Lubrication is still distributing through critical components. Turbochargers are beginning their operating cycle. Sensors are calibrating engine behavior. During this short phase, the mechanical tolerances inside the engine are still adjusting to operating temperature, and pushing the engine hard at this moment creates microscopic stress on internal components. Not enough to break something instantly, but enough to slowly influence how the engine ages. Over time, this can contribute to reduced turbo efficiency, slightly rougher engine response, higher internal friction, reduced fuel efficiency, long-term wear in timing components. Again, this is not dramatic damage. It's gradual. And because the change happens slowly, most drivers never connect it to their driving habits. Yet Audi engineers design engines expecting drivers to allow a brief stabilization period. Respecting this simple phase allows oil pressure, lubrication, and temperature to stabilize naturally. Drivers who follow this habit often report their Audi feels smoother, more responsive, and more consistent even after many years of use. If you want to understand how Audi engines really work, and how small habits affect long-term reliability, subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. It costs you nothing, but it helps us continue producing deep technical content focused entirely on Audi vehicles. In Part 2, we go deeper, because the real reason this habit matters is hidden inside the engineering of modern turbocharged Audi engines.
Modern Audi engines are incredibly efficient and powerful, but they are also extremely precise machines. Turbocharging, direct fuel injection, variable valve timing, and advanced engine management systems all work together to create performance while maintaining fuel efficiency. This precision means engines rely heavily on proper lubrication and temperature balance. When an Audi engine starts cold, several things happen simultaneously. Oil begins circulating through internal components. Turbocharger bearings start receiving lubrication. Valve timing systems begin adjusting camshaft position. Sensors calibrate fuel mixture and boost pressure. All of these systems depend on oil reaching proper temperature and viscosity. Cold oil behaves differently from warm oil. It flows more slowly. It takes longer to reach tight mechanical spaces inside the engine. And until oil circulation stabilizes, some internal components experience slightly higher friction. Turbochargers are especially sensitive during this phase. Modern Audi turbochargers spin extremely fast. Many exceed 150,000 revolutions per minute. At these speeds, the turboshaft rides on an extremely thin film of oil. If lubrication is not fully stabilized, tiny amounts of friction occur. This does not cause immediate damage, but repeated thousands of times across months and years, It slowly affects turbo efficiency. Drivers may notice slightly slower boost response, reduced acceleration sharpness, or subtle changes in engine smoothness. Transmission behavior can also be influenced during cold operation. Dual clutch and automatic transmissions operate most smoothly when fluid temperatures reach optimal levels. Aggressive driving before stabilization can lead to slightly harsher shifting and increased internal load. Electronic control systems are also still adapting during the first minutes of driving. Modern Audi vehicles constantly process data from dozens of sensors. Fuel injection timing, turbo boost control, idle stability, emissions management, all operate in slightly different modes until the engine reaches proper operating temperature. Forcing maximum performance during this phase pushes systems to work harder before reaching their optimal conditions. Over thousands of driving cycles, this habit can influence how efficiently systems operate long-term. Drivers who allow proper warm-up often experience engines that remain smoother and more stable over many years. This small difference in habit can significantly influence long-term mechanical health.
Fortunately, protecting your Audi from this problem is extremely simple. It does not require expensive parts. It does not require special maintenance. It only requires a small change in how you drive during the first few minutes. When starting your Audi, allow the engine to stabilize briefly before pushing it hard. You do not need to idle the car for several minutes. Modern engines warm up faster while driving, but the key is gentle driving during the first phase. Keep RPM moderate. Avoid aggressive acceleration. Allow oil pressure and temperature to stabilize gradually. Within just a few minutes, lubrication reaches every critical component inside the engine. Once the engine is warm, performance can be used normally. This simple habit protects several systems simultaneously. Turbochargers operate with stable lubrication. Internal engine components expand evenly. Transmission fluids reach proper viscosity. Electronic systems fully calibrate operating parameters. Over time, this dramatically improves long-term reliability. Many high-mileage Audi vehicles reaching hundreds of thousands of miles share one common factor. Their drivers understand how modern engines behave. The difference between an engine that struggles at 120,000 miles and one that runs smoothly beyond 250,000 miles is often not luck. It is consistent driving habits repeated thousands of times. Another benefit many drivers notice is smoother engine behavior. Engines that warm gradually often produce less vibration, more stable combustion, and quieter operation. This helps reduce stress on internal components, like bearings, pistons, and timing systems. In the end, the goal is not simply avoiding problems. It is preserving the performance and refinement that Audi engineers designed into the vehicle. And sometimes, the simplest habits have the biggest long-term impact. If you want to keep your Audi strong, smooth, and reliable for years to come, subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. This channel focuses entirely on real Audi engineering insights, hidden issues, and practical habits that help drivers protect their cars long-term. Stay tuned for more engineering deep dives. Your Audi will thank you.
Now you know what others don't. Drive smarter. Spend less. Unlock more. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. Stay ahead.